Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw Among Us Imposter. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and please don't be shy and comment what you want me to draw next. Okay. So let's start today's drawing with an oval. Starting from here, going up and coming down. Add a little line in here and a big curved line for its mouth, like this. We can use another curved line for its head and back, like this. Now it's time for its feet by drawing up and down, like so. And let's draw a little butt for it. It's so cute. We can draw its backpack easily like this. Let's use a thinner marker for its teeth and tongue. It should be good. Try to draw some triangles for the teeth. Up and down. And draw a long curved line for the tongue. Draw a parallel line like this. And let's add a light reflection in its eyes. And it's done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.